Hey YouTube, my name is Tatiana. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, this is going to be my wash and go routine. So first, I'm obviously in the shower and I'm just starting off by rinsing my hair and kind of soaking my hair with water. And I'm just trying to drench every single strand of my hair with water. And now I'm going to be using the Maui Moisture Curl Quench plus coconut oil shampoo. And I'm going to be using this shampoo to wash my hair with today. And I got it on clearance at Walmart for $5, so it was a good deal. So I decided to try it. And the smell is amazing. So what I do with shampooing is I always put the shampoo in my roots only, and I kind of just like massage it around in my roots. I use my nails to kind of to like get the buildup out of my hair and just kind of like massage my scalp. So now I'm going to be rinsing the shampoo out, and the shampoo, you want to make sure that it's all the way rinsed out. So once I'm done just rinsing the shampoo out, I'm going to be using the TRESemme Curl Hydration Conditioner, and it's for curly or wavy hair. I'm actually almost out of this I'm almost out of this conditioner because I use it like every time I wash my hair. And it works really good and it smells really good to me. So when I use this conditioner, I actually use kind of a lot also, as you can tell. And so I'm just working the product throughout my hair. And sorry, I'm going to be looking at the ground a lot in this video, you guys, because I was getting water all over the floor. So I'm sorry about that. So now I'm using my detangling brush just to brush out my hair. I always brush out my hair after I put the conditioner in because it's like the easiest to detangle my hair while it's wet with conditioner in there. And more conditioner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wash up and do the rest of my wash routine, and then after that, I just kind of got dressed, and my hair is still wet right now. I'm just gonna be parting my hair into technically 4 sections. I'm gonna be doing it in 4 different sections. Yeah. So now I'm going to be taking the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Smooth Conditioner with Aloe and Australian sea kelp. And this deep conditioner, I like it, but I do like the other one better. I think it's just the regular deep 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. I do like the other one better, but this one works okay as well. And it kind of just like smooths my cuticles and makes my curls more defined. And even though it's a deep conditioner, I do like to leave it in my hair. So just work that through my hair. And then after that, I'm going to be using the Luster's S Curl No Drip Curl Activator Moisturizer, and it's an anti-frizz formula. And it does drip, even though it says no drip, it does drip, like a lot, because it's kind of like a watery formula. And I like this stuff a lot because this helps my curls to be even more defined, because I don't know, maybe because it's like a watery texture, I'm not sure. So now I'm going to be moving on to the next section using my Aussie deep conditioner again. And as you can tell, my hair is kind of starting to dry up more, and it's looking kind of frizzy. If anybody has any suggestions on what I can use to like define my curls even better, or take away the frizziness and kind of like use to deep condition my hair, please let me know in the description. I'm sorry. In the commenting box down below, please let me know any suggestions. So I'm basically just doing the same thing to the next section. I use the Aussie deep conditioner and then the S Curl moisturizer, and I just try to work the product all throughout my hair. Sometimes I do smaller sections when I work the products through my hair, but today I was just kind of trying to hurry, so I didn't work it through each little section. So now I'm going to be taking the other side of my hair and parting it into 2 parts. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing, using the Aussie deep conditioner. I probably should have sprayed a little bit more water in my hair because it was starting to dry up at this point. I could have sprayed more water in it, but it's okay. Okay, so I've worked the product through my hair. Now I'm just kind of trying to like define my curls a little bit more. And I just finger comb my hair. I didn't actually brush it because I brushed it in the shower, so the rest of it I just finger comb. And that's just what works for me. Okay guys, I am back, and all I did was just let my hair finish drying, and then I just let it air dry. I didn't like blow dry it or like put a towel or shirt on it or anything to dry it off. I just let it air dry, and this is what I came out with. And it's about, I'd say 80% dry. Kind of like a little bit in the inside back here. It's a little bit wet still, but for the most part, it's almost all the way dry. So, what do you guys think? And like, you know, I have my little bangs, so I can either have it like in my face like this, or just have it to the side. So yeah, this concludes my video, and if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thanks for watching.